This display is our True Handleless kitchen style. We've used two door styles here, using our Sienna Supermatt Graphite on the bank of tall units and the Palazzo Slate for the island and base units. We've gone for a monochromatic look with this kitchen, so we've used some crisp, clean white worktops and a pop of colour to add separation to the doors by using our silver profile. We've used matte black appliances and a stainless steel sink and brushed steel tap to keep the tones to black, grey and white. To inject a little bit of character into this display, we've added a splash of colour in the lighting and the custom upholstery on the bench seating. The layout of this kitchen lends itself well to an open dining living space. The 2.5 metre long island paired with the bench seating lends itself to entertaining friends and family. To create the bench seating, we've used our single height pan drawer units. This has the added benefit of having additional storage as well as it being a functional seating space. The use of mirrored splashbacks helps to bounce light around and open the space up even further.